Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to bind the joints with the body. So to do this, first we will select the root joint. Select the root joint from by clicking on this, and after this is selected, now we need to select the body. So we will not be able to select the body because in the channel box and layer editor the body layer is on reference. So I will click on this and make sure it is in normal mode. Then click on this joint, root joint, and hold shift and select the body. After selecting this, we have to click on skin and bind skin option box. After clicking on this, first click on edit and reset this panel. After resetting this, in the max influence we have to make the influence 2 because we do not want the joints to interact when if we are making the changes like in the leg. There should be no changes in the hands or face, because if there is more amount in the influence, the other joints gets distracted when we do any animation or do any changes in the joints. So to avoid this, we have to make this influence level 2 and then click on apply and close. Now if we see the joints, it will appear in some colorful way and the joints has been binded with the body. If we select this joint, root joint, and move it, we can see that the overall body is getting moved from one place to another, and the root joint should appear in orange color so that we can easily identify that it is been properly bind with the body and it will interact very correct in the correct way. So now we need to select this neck joint. After selecting this, if we press E and rotate in this direction, you can see the head portion is moving but the hair are not moving with it. So to do this perfectly, select the head joint first by clicking on this joint. After selecting this head joint, now hold shift and select the hair. After selecting this, again go to skin, bind skin option box. By keeping this option like a max influence 2, or else we can reset it and make this 2, and the bind to option should not be as joint hierarchy because we have selected the particular joint. So by clicking on bind skin, we have to select this option called selected joint. It should only bind to the selected joint, and then we can click on apply and close. Now if we select this joint and press E and rotate this, you can see that the hair are moving with the head surface. Okay. In the same way, if we select this and rotate it, you can see that the eyes are not moving. The eyes are still at the same location. So to parent the eyes also, first we need to select the eye group. So select the eyes group. Here is the eye group. Select the eye group and shift. No, first we need to select the eye joint. So select the eye joint from here by clicking at here, and then hold shift and select the don't press shift, select press control and select the eye group. We have selected the opposite eye group like on this side. So I will again press control and deselect this, and after pressing control we will select the left eye group. So select it till here and then again go to skin, bind skin option box, reset this panel, again make the max influence 2 and bind to selected joint, and then click on apply and close. In the same way do for the opposite eye. So select the eye joint from here and hold control and select the eye group. After selecting this, now go to skin, bind skin option box, reset this, keep bind to as selected joint and make the max influence as 2 and again click on apply and close. Now we select the neck, and after selecting the neck, if we rotate it, we can see that the eyes are moving properly with the surface. Now again, if we see, by after rotating, the teeth and the gum area is not moving properly. So if we need to bind them, we can also do the same for that portion also. So select the upper teeth gum. If we are not able to select it, we can put the body layer on off by clicking on this visibility option. So after selecting this, we can again make this on. So select the upper teeth and shift select the head joint. After selecting both of this, again go to constant, not to constant. Click on skin, bind skin option box. Reset this. Bind to should be selected joint and mix max influence as 2, and click on apply and close. Again turn off this body layer. Select the lower teeth and gum. Turn on this option, and now hold shift and select the jaw joint. Again click on skin, bind skin option box. Reset this panel. Bind to should be as a selected joint and max influence 2, and again click on apply and close. Now if we select this joint and press E and rotate this, the area is not yet painted properly, so we need to select the head joint and then rotate it so that, okay, so this teeth are looking properly inside, but the tongue is not yet parented, so we need to do the same thing for the tongue also. So first select the tongue and then select the jaw joint over here. After selecting the jaw joint, now we need to go again inside the skin option, bind skin option box, reset this panel, and then keep this bind to as selected joint, and then make the changes here, max influence as 2, and then hit on apply and close. Now if we rotate, you can see that the lower portion of the jaw is moving with this, and if we move the upper jaw, you can see that the overall portion is moving upward. Okay. So make sure to complete till here, and in the next lecture we are going to fix the skin deformation on the leg.